Welcome back. Today is egg week, so we are making an egg casserole but in muffin form. So we went ahead and already got out 8 eggs, cracked them, added some cheese and some honey roasted turkey.
Yes.
And chopped all that up and mixed it together. And now we got our 6 tray of some pretty full looking eggs. We'll pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees and catch back with us to see how it tastes. Okay, so like I said, we have our 8 eggs all mixed up, and we added some cheese, mild cheddar, and we added some honey roasted turkey breast. And we just went ahead and ripped that apart and added it into the respective areas. But now I was gonna add some bell pepper to add some nice little vegetable hints of freshness in there. We're also gonna mix in some Nature Seasons spice. And this one will be like our salt, pepper, garlic type feel. So we're gonna go ahead and chop this up. Got a very large kitchen knife here today. But yeah, it was interesting while seeing the eggs and whisking it up we've had for this class. It was just so neat to think about the clear area of the egg having that really high volume of water and proteins. And the yolk is more of our lipid, protein, and also water and fats area. So seeing that all mixed up and come together kind of helps it have that, okay, eggs are healthy, full of protein, full of fats, and all the good things that you need. So we're gonna go ahead and chop these up, add them in, and throw this in the oven for 20 to 23 minutes at 375 degrees. This isn't really a recipe we found online. It's more so one that I've made this before a few times, and I've kind of just found a good time range of when the eggs tend to be done by. And I think this is a great recipe if you're an athlete, if you're just a busy student, you want to meal prep some eggs and just have it in the morning, you can microwave it. And yeah, so far we're just gonna finish this up and then get back with you. We also decided to add some onions just for that extra type of spice. But I did want to add that whether you're adding bell peppers or onions, be sure to chop everything up super small. Because think that you don't want to be eating a huge chunk of bell pepper or onion, maybe first thing in the morning. So really chop those up. And then we'll go ahead and add them to our areas. And then we're going to pop these in the oven because the oven's already preheated. Here Natalie is. I'm gonna go ahead and try. I added some hot sauce onto mine and we'll go ahead and give it a go. I ate mine earlier for lunch while they were still hot and very good. I didn't even need to add sauce because the flavors with the bell peppers, with the onions, with the cheese, it was still very moist, very, very flavorful with itself. Oh yeah, I think the veggies were a great call. It helps kind of keep it light, while also the meat adds that extra bit of protein in there. I definitely think this was a good one. I've made it in the past and will continue to make it just because it's so efficient and yummy. Yeah, easy. We made half a dozen, so we can have some more for breakfast. Good stuff. Good stuff. Very easy too. Peace out.